Are you all ready for the next sum, children? Here is your next question. The question says 65 into dash is equal to 74 into 65. And your options are 65, option B 74, option C 0, and option D 10. So 65 into something is equals to 74 into 65. This talks about the third rule again, where the order of the multiplicand is shuffled, right? So the first multiplicand comes to the second position, then the second multiplicand will come to the first position. So what will be your answer here? Excellent. It will be option B 74. Clear? Shall we move ahead? Okay. This is your next question. The question says 23 into 100 is equals to dash, and your options are 2300, option B 23,000, option C 230, and option D 23. Okay, so 23 into 100. Again, it applies the rule of tens and hundreds multiplication. So 23 into 1 is 23, and then the two zeros we are going to add behind. So the answer will be 2300. Where do you find it, children? Very good. So option A 2300 is the right option. Clear? Shall we move ahead? I think the questions are getting simpler, right? So we'll try with some tricky ones now. So the next question is 11 into 11 is equals to dash. Okay, and your options are 111, option B 121, option C 131, and option D 141. Fine. So now shall we multiply and see here? So now 11 into 11. We can write 11 as 10 plus 1, right? So 11 into 10, which is 110, plus 11 into 1, which is 11. So 110 plus 11, which works out to 121. So how we have done is, one of the 11 we have split as 10 plus 1. Clear? So what will be your answer? It will be option B 121. Fine? Shall we move ahead? Okay. So here is your next question. The question says, pick out the odd one out. And the questions are 5, 10, 15, 20, 24. Your options are 5, option B 10, option C 20, and option D 24. So which do you think is the right answer, children? 5, 10, 15, 20. So here it is going with the multiple of 5, right? So both of them, they have a gap of 5 in between. Between 10 and 5, it is 5. Between 10 and 15, it's 5. Between 20 and 15, again 5. Between 24 and 20, it's 4. So which means that here it should have been 25 in order to follow the series. So this is the odd one out. Where can you find 24? Option D. Clear? Shall we move ahead? Okay. So here is your next one. The question says, again, pick the odd one out. And your question is 11, 22, 32, 44, 55. Okay. And your options are 11, option B 22, option C 32, and option D 44. Okay. Now, let us see the pattern, that what is the chain being followed here. So, between 22 and 11, what is the gap, children? It is 11. Between 32 and 22, it is 10. Between 32 and 44, it's more, right? So, if you see here, it is following the table of 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 threes are 33, but then here they have written as 32. So, which is the odd one out here? Very good. So, option C 32 is the odd one out. Are you finding it interesting to solve, children? Shall we solve some more?